Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Unbox and Review with Mithun Upendra. So it's been a while. I started collecting few of the diecast, I would say. I used to collect only Hot Wheels. Now I have moved from Hot Wheels to a different brands just to experiment how I am going to like it. So as you can see, I have a lot of packages here. We are going to unbox them and we are going to see what are the brands that I prefer over Hot Wheels, and I'm going to tell you the reason as well. So stay tuned. Let's get into unboxing. So if you have been following me, I was missing few cars from Euro Speed. To be precise, two cars. So I was able to grab them for quite a bit of a good deal. So these are the cards I collected, guys. So this is the first one. So this is a GI Joe Combat Jet. So this is a gift for my friend. And these are the two cards that were missing from the collection. Card condition is good. Both of them are good. Quite happy. So this one I got it from Weeb Point. I think they have a website. You can go check it out. I will try to add that in the description. So this is the Batista, which I was missing from the Euro Speed. The casting is good. Moving on to the Aston Martin Vantage. So this is a really good casting, guys. So I tried to get a uncarded version of this for good pricing, but I missed it. I think it was for 600 or something. Wish I had got it, because I'm doing a setup where I'm going to showcase my uncarded collection, and for that I'm not limiting to Hot Wheels, and I'm trying to experiment with different brands. So that you're going to see with the other packages. So let's move this out. All right. So this one I got it from TCI, which is Toy Collectors India. They do the best packing. They do the best shipping. You can always count on them. Only thing is they're a bit costly compared to some sellers that you can find, but they are trustworthy. Okay, so they are one of my favorites, and I've been collecting from them since really long time. They are true professional guys. See, they always give some gift. Right now I have so many of these, and I'm giving it away for so many people. So this is the first one, guys. Let's open it up. All right, this is my first CCA model that I've collected. So this is Lamborghini Huracan STO. This is one of my favorite paint scheme, blue and orange. So this was launched in so many brands like Mini GT. Right now Pop Race is a brand that is having it. I think it cost 2000 or something. I did not want it to spend that much, so I paid 750 rupees. It comes in an acrylic box, so it's a win-win situation, right? For 750 rupees. And this is one of my favorite color schemed STO. So looks awesome. You can see the spoilers. Looks like it is slightly damaged. Yeah, it is damaged, but nonetheless looks awesome. So as you can see at the back, it's officially licensed product. So looks great for the price, except that the spoiler has lifted up. Let's try to open it. So this is the problem, guys. When you try to get something online, you always face some issues like this. Same thing happened with one of the diecast, which is Ducati Panigale, which I purchased. Even the acrylic material, it's not really acrylic, looks like plastic, or maybe a low grade acrylic. So this is how it looks, guys, from the close-up. I think the spoiler has some issues. Let me try to figure it out later. Let me know in the comments what do you think of this, because for 750 I think it's a steal deal, because it comes with acrylic display. Probably I'll keep it in my desk. And this is one more card that I was trying to look for. So this is 99 Ford F-150. So this was really looking cool in videos, so I wanted to get it. Rear detailing is really bad, but the side detailing is nice. Even the front is nicely detailed, and this is how it looks from the top. All right, moving on to the next. You can see there is one more here. And this is something I really love, guys. So this is a Takara Tommy, and I'm a big fan of Goku since childhood. So this is something that was looking absolutely cute, and I thought of getting it. So guys, this is how it looks. Isn't it cute? And it's really heavy. I don't know what kind of material is this. You can see there's a tail for the cloud as well. And this is the cute baby Goku. And it comes with the wheels, guys. But it's awesome. And I paid, I think, 1200 something. It also comes with this stand. I don't know if it is really worth it. This is how it looks. But I loved it. And the last package. And we have one more gift here. And these are the two, guys, that I collected. So these are buragos, and these are my first buragos. I don't know, the seal is open here. I don't know the reason. And these are official Ferrari products. So I collected few limited edition Ferraris. So like this one, SF90 Stradale, Assetto Fiorano. Hope I'm spelling it correct. So let's see how it looks. This is the first Burago that I'm unboxing. So looks solid out of the box, guys. So the Ferrari red is blazing on this one. Nice detailing. And it comes with openable doors. Nice vents detailing, engine detailing. Burago does some good cars, guys. So all of them are not good. So this is the La Ferrari, guys. So this one is completely sealed. I think at store some people might open and check it. They might really not able to control that. Whatever. So this is La Ferrari, guys. Wow. This one I saw in the video and I did not like the wheels and all. And absolutely that is the case. This is not a really good casting. If you compare it to this one is awesome. This one is not, and this one does not come with openable doors or anything. So like I said, not every casting is really good in Burago. You have to choose. I don't know, I wish I could have skipped this one. This one is really in good form, but this one is a solid casting. And I'm still having around 5 cars that is coming from the Burago, and I've handpicked them, and I hope it won't turn out like the La Ferrari. But anyway, in the display, this is going to look cool. So once I set up the display, I'm going to, showcase it for you guys to check it out. There was a slight mishap happened with the design. So I've asked them to replace it. So once that is set up, and I'm going to make another video. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Until then, ciao.